Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will learn how we can import the Photon and how Photon works. So first of all we need a plugin for Unity for Photon integration. So let's go to the Unity asset store and we will find out the Photon Pun2 asset. So let's write here Photon, or you can write Pun for the search, and you will see that we will have a free asset which is Pun2 free. We have Photon Pun2 Plus as well, which has a lot of extra features with more concurrent users at a single session, but the games you can use the free version as well. So we have to download this, so we can just open this into Unity editor and then we will just install it. Okay, so actually I have this, but I think import, and now it will be imported. On the other hand, we will also open the Photon website, so photonengine.com, and on this website you should have account here. Okay, so if you don't have the account, you can register your account totally free. I already have account, so I will just check I am not robot and click on sign in, and now we are logged into our Photon account. We can click on dashboard and we will be reverted to the dashboard, and you can see that here we can create the applications. We already have a TPS multiplayer application, we don't need it, we want a new application, so we'll create a new app and we will name it. So this is a multiplayer game, so we'll choose multiplayer game. We will select Pun, so this is the Photon Unity Networking, so we'll select this and then we will add the name of our game, so commando, and you can add some description if you want, URL of your website as well if you want, and then you can click on create. So now our application is created, and here is the app ID which is important, so we'll copy this app ID here. Okay, and now this app ID we will add it in Photon settings. So here you can see that now the plugin is imported, and now you will see a dialog box where we will add that app ID. Okay, so now it is imported and you can see this Pun wizard, and we have a app ID or email. So we can add the app ID here and then we can click on setup project. So now we can close these tabs, and you can see that there is these are some settings where we have the app ID, chat app ID. If you want to add, you can add that as well, and you can see that there is a chat plugin as well which is totally free for Photon. Then app version, you can add some app version if you are building your game, and we are in development process, so don't need it for now. Then we have the fixed region server, and that is actually, if you will go to the documentations and Photon regions, you can see that there are some main regions like the main master EU server and US server and master server. If you will go in detail, you can see that we have certain regions like Asia, Australia, Singapore, Sydney, Tokyo, and India, etc. So in our case, as we are in Pakistan, so our near server is India. Okay, nearest server is in India. Unfortunately, Pakistan have no server right now, and hopefully in near future, but for now we can connect to specific servers as well if we want. But by default, for the development purpose, it's not necessary to add server over here. Now the thing is that how it works, the Photon scripting, it has its own behaviors, and you can see that when we write the script, we will include the pun library on the top, and then we will add mono behavior as usual, but pun callbacks in addition. Okay, then for example, if we want to connect to the server, we will add this function public void override void on connected to master, and the server connection code will go here. Okay, then we have the join lobby code. So if you want to add any code and any function while joining the lobby or on joined the lobby, we can add it in this these two brackets. Similarly, we have a joined room function. We also have a on left room function. We can add our own functions and methods in these brackets. We definitely have a lot more functions as well for the Photon, which we will learn later on. So that's it for this video. In the next video we'll move further. Goodbye.